Namaste. Let's chanting the Om in right way. This is so good for when you're chanting Om in right way. It's really good for your respiratory system, good for calming your mind, and really good for relaxing. Let's sitting into easy, comfortable pose. Hands to your knees, lift your crown, gently smile. Start with deeper breathing. Next, inhale longer, and start all sound from your Muladhara chakra. Start from Muladhara chakra and goes all the way until your Sahasrara chakra. Inhale. Three more times. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.